The care sector in Wales is facing a number of recruitment challenges, but we're here to help. Introducing the WeCare Wales job portal, a free one-stop platform where you can post your current care vacancies quickly and easily. Nationally promoted and with thousands of users a month, the job portal connects you to a wide pool of candidates from right across the nation. To get started, simply register your account. When you register, you'll not only be adding vacancies, you can also tell us about opportunities that your organisation has to offer, such as apprenticeships, volunteering, work experience, or work placements. Within your dashboard, you can view and manage the vacancies you've posted. To help you better understand how your job is performing, you can see the total number of times your ad has been displayed, how many views your ad has received, and also how many times it has been clicked through to your organisation's website to find out more. You'll also find a wealth of information across our website, including our training programmes, a wide range of video case studies, and useful resources that you can download. So join the hundreds of other care employers in Wales who are making recruiting in the care sector easier with WeCare Wales. Register today at wecare.wales/submit a job.